Let's connect with the management of Aarti Industries. Not a bad set of numbers, strong set despite all the capex that they have incurred in the quarter gone by. Let's talk about the numbers then with Rajendra Gogri. He's the chairman and managing director of Aarti Industries. Mr. Gogri, thank you for joining us on ET now. A quick glance at your first quarter numbers. Revenue is a bit flattish, but I think what's really led the way for the profitability is the margin performance, a neat 400 bips margin expansion. So I think I would like to start off with that then as my first question. What exactly is it then that's led the way for your profitability to rise so nicely in this quarter?
Last quarter we completed our restructuring and our surfactant division has been hived off. So YOY, if you remove the surfactant division turnover, the top line growth is about 8%. And this specialty chemical also, net of raw material, there is a growth of about 9.5%. And overall margin expanded because of product mix as well as increase in the volumes. And going forward, we expect our EBITDA as a percentage also to increase because of having of surfactant division, which are generally a very low EBIT margin.
So how will your product mix then shape up going forward? Because surfactants is out and, specialty chemicals is growing smartly. Like you said, your margins will improve going forward as well. So what will your product mix be like now, for the rest of FY20?
Yeah, our value-added product mix in FY20 and going forward in future also will expected to increase, compared to our normal first nitration and chlorination, which is around 28%, as compared to the value-added. So this is continuously we expect to grow further on a value addition side.
Okay. How did your realizations shape up? Because there was a lot of volatility that we saw in crude prices. Even now, in fact, crude is once again below $60. So how exactly is it that realizations have shaped up in Q1, and how do you see it shaping up, in July, August so far?
Yeah, benzene price actually last 6 months on an average has been quite stable. Q4 was about 43 and Q1 this is 45. It is a little bit on an upward side as far as benzene is concerned, but it is still fairly stable. So raw material side we see the stability as far as in Q2 as compared to Q1. It should be remain more or less similar.
Mr. Gogri, before I let you go, could you also update us on the status of the demerger of the home and personal care business? I mean, what could shareholders expect post the demerger?
Yeah, the demerger process is already complete, and so that's why this time we have published the results which are a net of this surfactant division. So overall, it is going to improve both as EBITDA, also an ROC and ROE for the company. So I think that will be definitely beneficial.
Okay, all right. Mr. Gogri, thank you then for joining us on ET now, and we wish you good luck for the company's performance going forward as well. Aarti Industries is showing an uptick of 2% today in trade.